What I have here is a General Electric soft white 1 year life light bulb. Now, these are for ceiling fans, and this is from the dollar store. Now, you know what happened with GE. They are not the same. They're just a, let's see, Chinese knockoff with General Electric label to make you believe it's quality, and it's not. Let us show you what light can do. Yeah, right. Let's open the box. They're plastic. They're just very light. Wait a minute, I noticed something here. Do you see that there's an outing clear glass? So it's coated on the outside clear, but the inside is white. Let us show you what light can do. Right. And this is only for 1 year lifespan? I mean, for $1, these were like, what was this, $2? I'm not going to complain. It's 25 watts. I think our current leadership in America needs to bring back GE to America, because this is unacceptable. General Electric needs to come back to the United States. This is an absolute abomination. This video is proof that we need to bring back an American brand back to the States. It doesn't feel quality, it's so cheap, but for a ceiling fan, I'm not going to complain. 1 year life. Why? What? You know, 660 to 280 lumens. Okay. And this is not a very bright light. Based on 3 hours of use, flame tip, Cleveland, Ohio, yes, made in China. Mother. So, there you have it. These are decorative ceiling fans. Well, I'm putting them back in the boxes. You know, so what do you think? You know, I just don't, I mean, yes, they are junk. But if you go to the Home Depot or some other store, this was from Dollar Store. These are, something like this would be like $7. I'm not kidding. I mean, look at the bottom. I don't know, people. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.